Today I'm talking about whether you need to disclose all of your Etsy accounts and shopping profiles, like if you have a personal account in your Etsy profile somewhere. And the answer is yes, you do. There is an article in the Etsy help section that says that you need to do this. And probably the reason is that they want people to not be able to post anonymous reviews, and it keeps people from buying from themselves, which can get your shop completely shut down. But a lot of people aren't aware of this and they don't do it. And like I said, this can get your shop shut down. Now, my guess is that Etsy probably uses this as leverage. Like if they have a reason to shut down an account, this is just another thing that they can point to and say, you're not following this rule, and this is one of the reasons. It's not something that, like I said, a lot of people are 100% aware of. But if you have separate accounts that you use for purchasing on Etsy but are not related to your shop, you still need to disclose those in your about section. And this is your about section on your public profile. It's not necessarily in your shop about section. Now, I did write a blog article about this. I'll link in the description. You can see more about where to go to do that. But it's basically go to your personal profile, and in the editing section, you can add all of that information in. The good thing about this is that if you have multiple shops, you can put all of those in there as live links. If you put the link to your shop in that description, then it will show up as a live link in your profile. So if people go to your profile, they can actually get to your other shops easier. The bad thing about this is that probably a lot of people don't do it, and it's not something that people, like I said, are aware of necessarily, but you really should do it because it is one of the rules about setting up a profile on Etsy or having a registered account on Etsy. They want people to do it just so that there is less deception overall. It actually is a good thing to do if you have more than one shop because, like I said, those live links will take people there easier and they'll be able to find your other shops. So watch this video next, and I will talk to you later.